Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I am dyeing my hair again. Woo! So this is my hair at the moment. It's just faded out from my wedding hair, which was a kind of deep blue colour. And yeah, I'm pretty bored with it, so I've teamed up with Feel Unique. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Colorista hair dyes, which are these. The Ocean Hair and the Lime Hair. And can you guess what I'm going to be doing with them? I'm going to be doing a split hair dye look. So half lime, half blue. I'm so excited. You can get both of these from feelunique.com. I'll pop a link below if you're interested. They've got so many dyes on their website if you're looking for a hair transformation. So yeah, do check out the range that they've got. They've got some from Lime Crime, Colorista, and many more. So let's get going. I'm going to speed up this video because, as you know, hair dyeing does take a while. I've just got a casual t-shirt that I'm not really bothered about. Got a hair dye brush. I've got a little protecting cloak thing, gloves, mixing bowl, and a comb to section my hair. So let's get dyeing.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent me. I think you're truly something special, just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. It could be the way that you hold me. Could be the things that you say. Oh, I'm not too sure what it is, boy, but I know I like feeling this way. Hey, I think you're truly something special, just what my dreams are made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. What you done to me, I can't explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what I feel when I'm with you. With you, you're a dream come true. Oh yeah.
So the hair dye is on, guys. It's looking pretty epic already. I'm going to leave it on for about half an hour, and yeah, then I'm going to wash it off. I'll probably wash it off with kind of lukewarm water, not too hot, and I'll just condition it. I won't put any shampoo in it or anything. Also, make sure you do a strand test 48 hours before you use the hair dye, just in case you have any reactions or anything. But yeah, let's wait for half an hour and wash it off, and I will be back to show you the finished look. Right guys, I'm back. I've washed my hair. Let's see the results. Ooh, this looks cool. Oh my god, that is lime. Wow, that worked really well. Right, I'm gonna head off now, blow dry it, style it, and I'll come back and show you the finished look. I'm back, and oh my god, look at my hair. I'm literally loving this hair transformation. Oh my god, it's so cool. The colours worked amazingly. Like, this is lime green, it's so lime. This side came up really well. I was a little bit worried when I had the dye on earlier because I thought it was going to go a bit streaky, but it looks really good. I'm loving the split hair look. Do you guys love it? Let me know your thoughts. Please leave comments below. As I said before, I'll leave links below to the Feel Unique hair dye page so you can check out their range of hair dyes. This was the Colorista hair dye that I used. It worked super well, but they have got many more colours on their site so you can transform your hair to however you want and be really creative and experiment like I have today. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.